If you're experiencing login issues on Hypercore 2026, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your credentials. Ensure that you are entering the correct username and password. Double check for any typos or case sensitivity in your credentials. Step 2. Reset your password. If you can't remember your password, use the Forgot Password option to reset it. Follow the instructions sent to your registered email to create a new password. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Certain browser extensions can interfere with login processes. Temporarily disable any extensions and attempt to log in once more. Step 5. Contact support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Hypercore support for assistance. Provide them with details about your issue for a quicker resolution. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your login issues on Hypercore 2026. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek further help from the support team.